In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize WooCommerce order confirmation emails. We'll be working directly inside your WordPress dashboard, and the goal is to update the email your customers receive after they place an order. This is a great way to make your store feel more polished, reinforce your branding, and add a more personal touch to the customer experience. Start by going to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in the admin area, look over to the left-hand menu and click on WooCommerce. This will take you into the main WooCommerce section where all of your store settings and tools are managed. From there, click on Settings. Inside the settings area, you'll see several tabs across the top. Select the Emails tab. This section controls the different email notifications WooCommerce sends out, both to customers and to store admins. Now scroll down until you find the processing order email. This is the email customers usually receive after payment is confirmed and the order is being prepared. When you find it, click the Manage button next to it. That opens the settings specifically for this email. Here's where you can customize the actual content. You can edit the subject line, which is what appears in the customer's inbox. You can also change the email heading, which is the main title shown inside the email itself. In addition, you can add any additional content you want, such as a thank you message, a short brand note, or helpful next steps for the customer. Keep your wording clear and friendly, and make sure it matches your brand voice. After that, go back to the main Emails tab if needed and scroll to the bottom to adjust the global template styles. These settings affect the overall appearance of your WooCommerce emails. Here you can update things like the header image, base color, background color, and footer text. These style options help make your emails feel more consistent with the rest of your website and brand identity. Once you've finished making your content and design updates, click Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. This is important because your edits won't be applied until they're saved, and that's it. You've successfully customized your WooCommerce order confirmation email. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to review your wording carefully before saving so your confirmation emails look professional, helpful, and on brand for every customer who places an order.